Hi, I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Clothes Shop, and I'm sitting at the serger again. You know,
Really?
I love the serger.
Oh my gosh, Barb, you love them.
I do, and they're just so fun.
They all have a purpose, right?
They do. And they're really quite simple machines, but they're a little scary.
You cannot tell me a serger is simple.
They are really simple. Just got to know a few things about it. One thing people have a little bit of an issue with, there are some things that I want to talk to you about today.
All right, good.
All right, because most of the time, especially on a serger, if there's something, if your stitch is ugly, if things aren't going right and you can't, it's usually operator error. Sorry.
Oh, you want to tick me off? Tell me it's operator error.
99.9% of the time, it's just operator error.
Yeah, because the machine is programmed to do what it's supposed to do.
And it really doesn't do it. It does kind of their one thing. Okay, I'm going to thread up my looper, and I have to make sure I lock in my pipes.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay, pipes are locked in. And I'm going to make sure that I have that dial over to threading my right looper, which is my lower looper.
So I'm not having to go inside the machine and trying to thread it.
Nope. All right, so I'm going to put it in here.
I love this.
Well, this one is just jet air threading. That means it's throwing air through.
And did you lick that to make?
Oh, I did not.
No, they say don't lick
Don't.
them. Don't put
and
it in your
don't
mouth.
oil it. Okay, this one will shoot out right here. Oh, whoops. It's not going through. Okay, what do you think my operator error is?
Don't have enough.
This is a test.
You don't have enough.
Nope, that's not it, because I've got plenty out here.
You're not pushing the button far.
I've made sure I've got it in my lower looper.
Okay.
I make sure my pipes are engaged.
Okay.
There's one thing I'm missing, though. This is a test, Kyle.
I failed. Do you have your settings right?
No, this doesn't matter because I'm just threading my loopers. Okay, I'm going to move.
That?
I'm going to move my pipes out of the way. I want you to see right here. I have a thread in the pipe already, which is not going to give me room to shoot the next one.
So that one that's threaded there needs to be out?
Yep, this one right here needs to be out of there. And actually what I'm going to do
Where's that from?
It's from the last thread that I had in there. I just didn't cut it in the right spot.
Oh,
and I didn't feed it through.
So it's out of there.
Now it's out of my channel. And now I'm going to, let me get this out of the way a little bit. Now I'm going to lock in my pipes.
Okay.
Now my pipes are locked in.
Yep.
I've got it in the port.
Okay.
And I'm going to untangle it.
That's a good idea.
There. And it will shoot.
There it is.
Done.
Now it's threaded?
It's threaded. That was it. That is it.
I thought it was supposed to be really hard.
No, that's not. That's why it won't come through sometimes. This is another reason sometimes you won't be able to thread your upper looper if you have that engaged.
What is
this?
This
is your subsidiary looper. So always check to see what's going on up here if you can't thread your machine.
Okay.
Because it's not the machine.
No.
It's not the machine.
It's me. It's all about me.
It's all about you, Kyle. Sorry. Thank you.